Hello, I'm Peter Lee. I used to call myself Peter Pan. I am a professional trader in Hong Kong. I trade the stocks and index future. About a month ago, I introduced zero stocks. Even though the Hang Seng Index has dropped 3,000 points, the stock I recommended are still rising. 1211 is rising 11%, 3311 rising 9%, and the 712 rising 13%. I encourage you to watch my prior videos. My donation account has been set up, so welcome to for your donation. The details are in the Facebook page, and also the donation can be reimbursed for future channel fees. So let's say you pay $400 for the fee, then for a donation, then you can use it to pay off the fee. Okay, so today I want to talk about the Hong Kong stock market. The Hong Kong stock market, the price movement is really terrible, and I foresee, I advise you guys, I recommend you guys, if you haven't buy stock yet, you should buy it at around 9,700 level or below. But if it like here it go up, don't chase it. You should buy at around 9,600 or lower level. And the stock in this time, if you are going to buy stock, I recommend 1211. It has the most upside. I believe it will be tenfold in 10 years time, and very likely will do that. And the 3311 is the price movement is the most stable. We wouldn't drop too much, even in a severe drop market. And also the 154, I believe it's will go one-fold. It will have a 100% return in a year's time, and I recommend that too if you are going to buy stock at this moment. And so I want to talk about because in such a terrible market right now, most people are either scared, so they don't buy stock because they are scared, or they are holding on to stock and then they are really scared and they might sell their stock. I want to tell you guys that all the big players in the market, people that hold a lot of money and has earned a lot of money in the stock market, maybe they have many billions of dollars of money. Those people, they buy when they buy their stock when the market is dropping. They always do that. Let's say here, they buy here, and then they will take the whole profit right there. There's about 300 points profit. That's how they make so much money. But us, just a normal, unintelligent, small investor. We usually buy the stock here or maybe here. Well, when you buy at this time, everything seems very good. Everything seems safe. The economy is good and the good news is good. But then usually it drop here and then boom, 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 then you drop, and your stock started to lose money. So we should have the big player and mentality and the view and the intelligence that we should, when here in such a terrible market keep dropping, this is the right moment to buy. Even though it seems scary, but actually it's the right timing and the right moment to buy. So you guys need to understand that. Another thing is that when you're holding on to stock, you should have a strong belief in your stock, in the reason why you're holding on to stock. That's why I always encourage you guys to watch my videos, because when you hold on to stock, when your stock don't go well, it drop, you need to understand, remember your belief. For me, I believe that the China stock market, the valuation is too low and it won't drop any further. It won't drop too much. I have a strong belief in that. So I stick to my belief. Also, you can view me as because in the stock market, it is a zero-sum game, and it is a very you can say no mercy game. We are basically fighting a war. You can look at me as a general, a very intelligent and good general. I lead you guys, but you guys probably are not so sophisticated in investing. Basically, because what my thinking is exactly what the big players in the market thinks. I think like them, and when I want to buy the stock, the price is their wanting to buy stock price. So I think very similar to like them. Of course, I don't have as much money as them, but my thinking is very same. And then I have the ability to lead you guys, so you can view me as that. I'm not certain how you're confident or in me. I'm not sure how much is that, but you can look at it this way. So I can tell you, we should have because it's dropped so much, it's a great timing. If it drop further, it's actually a better time to buy because it's cheaper. And then once it rise here, we actually maybe it's near here. When it rise, right here. Wow! Then you earn a big money, which is also what I'm saying in my Facebook page. My target is for viewer to have 100% return in a bull market. This is what I'm trying to do. And also one thing is very important that you have look at my disclaimer, because the exact disclaimer is not the short form I always have in the end of the video. So the highlight here is the full disclaimer. I really ask you guys to look at the disclaimer. So the above is personal opinion. Stock price to rise and fall. The volatility in the stock market can be very high. There is risk involved in buying stock. So remember to look at the disclaimer too. Thank you. Bye bye.